Just built this bushcraft chair I'm sitting on. Pretty comfortable. And I'm here to talk about the Wicket XL. Knives by Nuge. I've had this knife for a few weeks now, and I've been using it. Not so much bushcraft stuff. I mean, I did do some little bit of carving on wood and strike some ferrule rods with it, things like that. But I've been using it everyday life. I've had a lot of projects going on. I've cut landscape paper for backfilling gravel. I've cleaned off edges of PVC drain pipe for a septic system. Things like that. Stuff you're out of the ordinary stuff. And I have not put an edge on this yet. And I can still shave hair. I'm very pleased with this knife. Now this, the Wicket XL, if you're not familiar, is the big brother to the Wicket, which I wear on my neck every day. The size difference, both of them come with a kydex sheath. The regular Wicket is just a neck knife, but you can scout carry that. The Wicket XL comes with this sheath with this awesome clip that just loops around your belt. That's where I wear it, right in my front right here. Easy access, snaps in place. And this, when I first got this, I'm like, what the heck, the snap is broken. You can't pull this snap by accident or pull it straight up. It actually has a dot that says lift from dot or pull from dot. It comes off smooth as butter. So that's really cool. The retention and Knives by Nuge's kydex is phenomenal. That thumb push is very cool. I'm going to put the Wicket away and we'll get into a little more detail on the XL. Strikes a ferrule phenomenally. 80 CRV2 steel. Micarta handle, chemically bonded to the steel, as well as brass flare tubes. Handle is solid, very, very comfortable in the hand. Zero hot spots on this. 3.5 inch handle overall, and a 3-inch blade. 6.5 total length. 3/32 thick steel. Gorgeous knife. So if you're looking for a premium, made in America knife, check out knivesbynuge.com. They're not always on the site. He's a one-man band, so check him out on Instagram as well. And he usually posts on there when he's about to drop some knives, so you get a heads up. Follow him. Definitely check him out.